Welcome back to Sangkap Sarap TV. Today we're cooking a Filipino comfort classic with a healthy twist, chicken tinola with turmeric. Light, nourishing, and full of ginger aroma, this soup is perfect for cozy days and family meals. Let's start cooking. Chicken tinola with turmeric. Ingredients: 1.5 kilos chicken cut into serving pieces, 3 tablespoons cooking oil, 1 large onion, sliced, 6 to 7 cloves garlic, minced, 2 thumb-sized ginger, julienned, 1/2 thumb-size fresh turmeric, yellow ginger, julienned, or 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, 3 tablespoons fish sauce, 8 to 9 cups water or chicken broth, 5 pieces chayote, peeled and sliced, 1.5 to 2 cups chili leaves, washed, salt and ground black pepper to taste. Optional, 1 to 2 green chilies, for aroma only. Procedure: heat oil in a large pot over medium heat. Sauté garlic, onion, ginger, and turmeric until fragrant and slightly soft. Add chicken pieces. Stir and cook until lightly browned. Add fish sauce. Let simmer for 3 minutes to remove raw smell. Pour in water or broth. Bring to a boil, then lower heat. Simmer for 30 to 35 minutes until chicken is tender. Add chayote and cook for 6 to 8 minutes until just tender. Season with salt and black pepper. Turn off heat. Add chili leaves and green chilies, optional. And let rest 1 to 2 minutes. And there you have it. Warm, comforting chicken tinola with turmeric. Simple yet packed with flavor. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to Sangkap Sarap TV for more easy and authentic Filipino dishes. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next recipe.